Anunna agong ka aniga awong da na di puro pero su ati ang magong angin adu pura ati koi fi mitin om da di mani bila suan ati di ania ni ma sa ramin at kuya ma ason pa malsom na umpo omani pathin na tu malsom proses amin Rama Kotlanga le Aizol ko Kuibika
AIGP provisioning and logistics.
Here Sama
This is not the commandant of fire battalion.
I'm as well as that. AIGP operation. Morning, sir. This is not the senior SP. Lauren Mila, SP security.
Zero commandant of the being what we
Sierra Leone, AIGP. Lura, Chibesa, real Lura House here, SP Sala Crime.
Chibesa, not in the what the IGP. Chibesa, other Gipima, SP Wireless.
Thank you. Now we will hear for overview of Mizoram by DIG. We have the police station and 24 this year. Attempt to murder. PHQ, we have so many PHQ cases last year and this year. 2017, 2017, 2018, 2019. 36 and the actual strength is 8,086, vacancy 4,150.
Actual, tlawh has happened. But sir, there are no quarters or the DC office is available, sir. The old DC office. That can be the criminals are from outside the government. Sir, to send
Situation by and large peaceful. No major issue which can cause law and order problem. Insurgency in Mizoram, we may say we already have MOU with HPCD. Mizoram state is vulnerable for the trafficking of drugs and arms. In 2023, this year, as many as two, and there is also an encounter in the during 2021. So we deploy armed police in 20 locations along the state border. Present.
so there are DG camp also, but many of them are not staying in the camp. They are staying with their friends and relatives outside. So though they
3 battalion, 1 sector headquarters, border security 4 battalion, 1 sector headquarters. And there are
what are the various mostly in Chosai and then they are
they have 17 posts in the eastern border. These are, as I already said, guarded by some rifle. Bangladesh 318, and Mizoram Manipur border, interstate border is 95, guarded by 1st Battalion Samurai Rifle and 2nd IR Battalion. Mizoram Assam border 123 km length is guarded by 1st IR Battalion. Mizoram Tripura border of 66 km is guarded by 4th IR Battalion and 5th IR Battalion.
so the FMR regime, the free movement regime which is there.
Mr. Chairman, DGP, and all officers, my former colleagues from the media, and all those who have gathered here today. My warmest greeting has been reservedly ushered in. And under the leadership of our Chief Minister, we will try to meet the expectation of the general public. We will strive towards making an inclusive government where all sections of society feel that the government is their government, and that we are here to assist them. And in that pursuit, I, as our minister, alone cannot deliver the aspiration of the people. I'll be in constant need of your cooperation, wisdom, and advice. And together we can deliver the needs of the public. On the day of the swearing in of the government, our Chief Minister had already announced the aspiration of the government of Mizoram, which will be pursued in the next 100 days. Those points may be pondered upon by all officers so that every decision made is towards achieving those aspirations. As we are resource deficit state, austerity measures need to be taken at every level, and we should be extra vigilant with our expenditures. The resources we have must be put to good use, and we should not commit to unnecessary expenditure so that optimum utilization of funds can be achieved. I must stress that the government of Mizoram will be needing your full cooperation in order to achieve each goal within the next 5 years. And in order to achieve this end, my office is open to all at all times for suggestions and advice. From the lowest ranked official to the Home Secretary and the DGP, there should not be any limitation in building cooperation and teamwork. Each of us must attempt to attain this end, for without cooperation and teamwork, the workings of the department will be lopsided, and this will in turn only add to the miseries of the workers and the general public. We are a department that is working for the safety and security of the general public. And as such, our personal interests and aspirations should not come before the public's. We must always remember from this day forth that we are not civilians, and that we are police personnel. The general public look up to us, and we must convey that we are here to provide for their safety and security. As stated earlier, the government of Mizoram will put in utmost effort to curb crimes and eliminate drugs trafficking in the state, which have been rampant in recent past. About eliminating drugs trafficking and reduction of crimes. However, I must add that criminals have become more and more clever, and we all need to step up our game, improve upon our discipline and work ethics.